the bigger motivation for us is to really learn about your own kind of tech adoption journey at Torrent Electricals, and that will create a good insight for our founder audience. So can you give a sense of, Sachin, that in last, let's say, 1 or 2 years, right? What has been the big tech adoptions at your organization? That is one. But also, which are the core kind of systems that are there within your organization? I hear you in the conversation, you talk about SAP as your one of the key core ERP system. But if you can talk about which are the core systems that you already have, because that way, like founders would be prepared that, okay, which all integrations they would have to build in as a part of the procurement process, or if they start discussing with you. So two questions in short. One is that which are the core tech that you have, and which were the big implementations that you did in last 1 or 2 years?
So I think I'll just quickly talk of some of these are already mentioned on the slide. These are very selected ones that we picked up. So one is the inquiry to quote module, which was a very big pain area for us, considering that we had issues of responses to our MTO customers of going up to 5 to 6 days. We have been now able to bring down 98% queries within 24 hours, which is a great achievement, I would say, by the team in last 6 months. So this is how we digitize the entire codes, the cable codes, and everything was loaded onto the system. How do you automate the price calculation system so that you are able to quote the right pricing? Then the other was the reach out app for the electricians and contractors. We are going to extend it to retailers as well as distributors over a period of time. So that's a platform we are building for a very, very long term. So that is already implemented. And then there is CRM digitization. We are still looking for a feasible solution in this area. We are still not there. NPD process digitization, again, we have finalized a few things, but I would say we have made little progress here. But I think in the next 4 to 5 months, 6 months, we should be able to make a significant progress here as well. The Salesforce automation is today one of the key areas that I am focusing as we continue to build our B2C business, B2B business. How do I ensure that my sales people are enabled in the market to serve our customers better? See, I have only one goal as a company. How do I reach my consumer better, faster, in a more economical way? And I am seen as a differentiator in the market. That's my core aim as a brand. While we can talk of 100 things around what a company does, but actually speaking, this is the core. If you are able to reach your customer on time, with efficiency, with credibility, that is exactly what an organization us would like to aim. How do we differentiate ourselves is maybe one of the core areas. So these are some 4 or 5 things that I've tried to kind of put here. Some of it has already been done, some of it is already work in progress.